this second episode of Magic the Gathering for Fun, Lorenzo and his sister Sofia fight an epic duel for the dominance of the sky. With the magical power infused into him by his holy feather, Lorenzo has built a deck of fierce and proud birds, which cleverly combines the sharpness of claws with the holy power of faith. On the opposite side of the table is contestant Sofia. She may seem innocuous and innocent, but the raging heart of a mighty dragon beats within her chest. With her deck of cards, she's ready to unleash the wrath of dragons. This duel certainly promises to ignite. Who will be the champion of the skies? Will dragons be able to assert their supremacy, or will history be changed by a flock of birds?
May the fun begin. Okay, you draw 7 cards, then we are good to go. We are ready to start. We got 6 cards here, 7 cards. Okay, I've drawn all of my cards. Are you ready, sister, to begin? Alright, let's play Beam Boom Bam. Beam, boom, bam. Beam, boom, bam. Beam, boom, bam. Ah, beam, boom, bam. Ah, it's a victory for me, and I get to start for first. So 1 plains right there. I tap it and welcome my Healer's Hook on the battlefield, and it's your turn. A mountain.
Right.
I like mountains. I like mountains and goats. Ha! Mountains. Okay, I use both these 2 planes, and I use this instant card, Revitalize. I gain 3 life, so I go up to 23, and I also get to draw a card from the top of my library. Then I swing at you with my Healer's Hook, and I gain 1 life, because this bird has lifelink, and it's your turn. I've already given myself a bit of a head start,
Right.
getting prepared here for the major blows. Another plains right there, and this time I'm going to summon another bird. It's a falcon, Rustwing Falcon. I don't know why I tapped all of my planes, just 1. And okay, yes, that's enough. Healer's Hook again. Another attack. You get 1 damage, and I gain 1 life. Your turn.
Right.
Okay, sister. Another plains. This time I'm going to use these 3 planes here to summon Tethmos High Priest on the field. And I swing at you with my Healer's Hook, Rustwing Falcon for 2 damage. So you take that, you go down to 16, and I gain 1 life. So 26 to 16. There's already a gap of 10 life points between us, sister. Come on, sister. Snap out of it. Waiting for your dragons. 4 mountains. Is that a dragon? Ah, I thought it was a dragon. It's an artifact. Skin Wing. So that creature is a 2/2 with flying, right? Mm-hmm. Is that exact? Perfect. Got another plains here. So I play Stealing Stance from my hand. I play the forecast ability of this card. I pay 1 mana, and I reveal this card from my hand, and I just keep it in my hand, and I give a +1/+1 counter for just this turn to one of my creatures, and I target Healer's Hook. So this card is now a 2/2. And I attack with Healer's Hook, Rustwing Falcon, Tethmos High Priest for a potential 2, 3, 5 damage in total.
Niente, prendo... no. Non so. Blocco questo.
Okay, so Rustwing Falcon is destroyed. You lose 4 life points, and I gain 2 life points. Your turn.
Allora.
You got to untap also your creatures, is to remember. Skin Wing. Skin Wing. Pyrophobia. No! Wait! Just wait. I use this instant card from my hand. I use a plains. Take Heart. Target creature gets +2/+2 until end of turn. So this creature is now a 4/5. I also gain 1 life for each attacking creature I control, but I'm not attacking. And so this creature is now a 4/5. It gets 3 damage from your Paraphobia, so my creature is not destroyed. And because I have targeted Tethmos High Priest with this instant card, the heroic ability of this creature is triggered, and I get to summon Rustwing Falcon back from the graveyard on my battlefield. Did you like that? Pretty nice combo, huh? Got something more in store for me, sister? Otherwise, you're going down. Nice combo there. Birds with cats. Shish. Birds with cats. Meow.
Passo?
You don't attack?
No.
Okay, good for me. Good for me. I have this one game in the bag. I already have it in the bag. And welcome! Another bird on the field. Courier Hawk. This is a hook. You see, I have an army of birds. So I have tapped these 2 lands, and I'm just going to attack again with Healer's Hook, Rustwing Falcon, and also my Tethmos High Priest.
Blocco questo.
Okay, so my Healer's Hook is destroyed, but I get to gain 1 life. And I go up to 29 to 12. You get 1 + 2 free damage. It's your turn.
Due, 3, 4,
Is that a dragon?
5.
Is that a dragon? Oh my god! Rapacious dragon. Rapacious dragon. So, I prepared in advance for the effect of that creature, of that dragon. So you can use those 2 special treasure tokens that you can place here on your field. And ladies and gentlemen, this is a commercial right here. Those 2 tokens are not MTG official because I unfortunately did not get any treasure tokens from the 2 big boxes of MTG cards that I unboxed for the channel. These 2 cards, they actually come from this little card game called Beowulf Legends. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. Beowulf Legends. It's a card game for 2 to 6 players. If you like Beowulf and its story, then check it out. I'm also going to make a review on my channel anyway, sooner or later, one of these days. Alright, where were we? Rapacious Dragon. Sister?
Attack.
Okay, I block with Courier Hawk, so my monster is destroyed.
Right.
Okay. Rapacious Dragon. Alright, so I activate the effect of Stealing Stance from my hand for 1 mana. This time I target Tethmos High Priest. The effect is triggered once again. So I get to summon another bird creature from my graveyard. And I choose Healer's Hook. Back on my field. Then I'm going to use other choose swamps, and I also summon Impassioned Orator. Okay? And this time I think I'm just going to end my turn right here, because I cannot stand a clash with your Rapacious Dragon. Okay, so what do you do, sister? What is that? Another Rapacious Dragon! So it's all over again. Other 2 great Beowulf Legends treasure tokens on the field. Look at that, sister, what's going on here? Okay, so you used up 3 of your treasure tokens, and you summon also Skazbek Marauders. What's going on? What's going on, really? You still have that treasure token, is that correct?
Yeah.
Hope you did the math correctly, sister, because I'm really trusting you here. Okay? So, cool, nice. What do you do now? You attack?
Yeah.
Skinwing, it's a 2/2. You also attack with the other Rapacious Dragon? Okay. I guess it's the other one. This one is the one you summoned this turn, right? The other one. Or you placed it here or here. I think it's the other one. Anyway, it's indifferent. Okay. Just for the sake of, making everything look right and correct according to the rules. Alright, so 2/2, I block that with one of my birds, Rustwing Falcon. So Rustwing Falcon is destroyed. And I block your Rapacious Dragon with Healer's Hook. I gain 1 life, but my monster is destroyed. And I've gone up to 30 life points, and you're down to 9.
Right.
Oh my god. What? Really, what's happening here? I don't know anymore. Okay. I play another planes here. And again, one more time, Stealing Stance from my hand for 1 planes. I target Tethmos High Priest. I summon Healer's Hook back on the field. I gain 1 life because of the effect of Impassioned Orator. So I go up to 31. This is going to be a very long game. And this time I can actually summon my Enforcer Griffin for 5 planes. There you go. What's going on? This is a great battle. Okay, Enforcer Griffin is a 3/4 creature with flying. I gain another life from Impassioned Orator. 32 life points for me. It's your turn. This is epic. This is epic. This is a great battle. I got 2 Rapacious Dragons on the field. I got my Enforcer Griffin, the strongest card in my deck, probably. And I'm also gaining a lot of life points because of all of the effects combined, all of my great combos. Okay.
Attack.
It's time to attack. Pretty hesitant.
Attacco.
Okay.
Attack.
So you attack with your 3 creatures. I'm going to block Skinwing with my Enforcer Griffin. And I'm going to block your Rapacious Dragon with my Healer's Hook. I'm just going to take the damage from Skazbek Marauders. I gain 1 life from Healer's Hook. So in total I take 4 damage. And yes, that's it. I go down to 28. I guess it's my turn, right?
Mm-hmm.
Cool. I draw a card. I activate Stealing Stance from my hand. So again, I trigger the effect of Tethmos High Priest, and Healer's Hook hits the field again. I gain 1 life. And I guess I'm just going to end my turn. Well, actually I can attack, but I don't know what you have in your hand. Well, I'm just going to pass. Your turn. Well, that creature is destroyed actually, sister. I forgot about it.
Metto una montagna. Poi pago 6.
Okay, you tap 6 mountains.
E attacco.
Okay, so that creature now is a 7/4 with flying. Okay, I'm just going to block with Healer's Hook, and because that creature has trample, I'm going to take 6 damage. And I go down to 23. Are you done?
Mm-hmm.
Cool. I draw another card. I use Stealing Stance again from my hand, targeting Tethmos High Priest. I summon Healer's Hook back on the field. Same old story. I tap 1 plains. I gain 1 life. And this time I play another plains here, and I just end my turn. So it's your turn again. (24-9). I'm still in the lead. I still have a pretty sound advantage.
Attacco.
Okay, you force me to use my instant card, Second Thoughts, from my hand for 5 plains. Exile target attacking creature and draw a card. And clearly your I target your Scuzback Marauders. They are exiled. So I guess it's my turn.
No.
Oh, you do something else. Okay.
4, 5,
And
6.
face for 6.
Vai.
Oh, shoot. You actually should slide them like this. So now your Rapacious Dragon is 5/5 with flying. Right, I already had flying. Alright. Stealing Stance again from my hand, targeting Tethmos High Priest. This time I select Courier Hawk, and I summon it back on my field from the graveyard. I gain 1 life. I go up to 25-9. And then I also use other 2 planes, and I summon Soulcatcher on my field. And I use other 2 planes. I tap also these 2 planes here to place this artifact card from my hand, Dark Steel Pendant. And that's it. So that creature is a 5/5 with flying. And let's see. I guess I'm just going to pass. And I actually have to increase my life total by 1 because I summon Soulcatcher and I trigger the effect of Impassioned Orator. So I go up to 26, if I'm not mistaken. Spark Tongue Dragon.
4,
Cool.
5. E uso il suo effetto, pago 3. E posso infliggere un danno di 3.
Oh.
Con lui.
Oh shoot. So you pay 3 additional mountains to use the effect of Sparktone Dragon, inflict 3 damage to any target. And you want to destroy my Tethmos High Priest. Don't really know what to do here. You also have a 5/5 over there. I guess. Okay. I sacrifice my creature. Are you happy, sister? You destroyed my Tethmos High Priest, my cat cleric. Too bad. But I think I can do without him. What do you do now? You attack?
Sì, attacco con questo e con questo.
You can't attack with that, you have just summoned it.
No, allora non attacco.
You don't attack at all?
No.
Even though you've got a 5/5 right
sì,
there?
So, non attacco.
Alright, your choice. My turn. Play another planes. And again, I use Stealing Stance from my hand, this time targeting Enforcer Griffin for 1 planes. I tap another planes right here to use the effect of my artifact here, Darksteel Pendant. So I tap this artifact and I get to scry 1 card from the top of my deck. And I actually leave this card on the top of my library. So this creature now is a 4/5. But your creature is still a 5/5. I'm going to attack with Enforcer Griffin. And that's it. Yes, just attack with Enforcer Griffin. You tap. So I use Stealing Stance from my hand for 3 planes. It gains +1/+1. So your monster is destroyed, but my monster is not. And Soulcatcher gains +1/+1 counter because a flying creature has just left the field. But my Stealing Stance this time is going to be removed from the game. But anyway, I no longer have Tethmos on the field, so I no longer need to have that card in my hand.
Pago 6, 2, 4, 6.
Again, Skin Wing, you pay the keep cost.
Stuck.
That's a free. And I block that with Courier Hawk. So my bird is destroyed. Soulcatcher is now a 3/3 creature. My turn?
Mm-hmm.
Cool. I use again Darksteel Pendant. I tap one land, 1 planes to scry 1 card. And again, I leave this card on the top of my library. Enforcer Griffin is untapped, ready to attack again. And that creature is again a 5/5 with flying, obviously. 5/5. Again, I attack with Enforcer Griffin and Eater's Hook.
Blocco questo.
I use Silver Flame Squire, the instant adventure effect of this card for 3 planes. So these planes are all untapped. It gains +2/+2 until end of turn, and I untap my creature. So now my creature is a 5/6, enough to withstand your counterattack. Oh shoot!
+3 e +1.
Brute Strength +3/+1. So now the creature is a 8/6, and my creature is a 5/6. So I guess my monster is destroyed. And your defense is 6, right? Yes. Okay. So this card goes back to my hand, and Soulcatcher gains +1/+1 counter. So now this creature is a 4/4. And your turn. And Eater's Hook. I was almost forgetting. Healer's Hook inflicts you 1 damage, I gain 1 life. Whew, I think this game is going to be enough, sister, because I think I've already expressed all the potential of my deck. I don't know about you, but how do you feel about this duel?
Bellissimo.
Okay. I see that basically all of your dragons have already hit the field, so and just like all of my birds, so I think this game was pretty epic.
Attacco.
Quite exciting. Okay, that creature is a 5/5, and my Soulcatcher is a 4/4, so I'm not going to block. I just get the damage, 5 damage for me. My turn?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I tap these 5 planes right there to summon Enforcer Griffin again on my field. And this time I'm also going to summon for 2 other additional planes. I'm going to summon Silverflame Squire from my hand, and I gain another life. Impassioned Orator really beefing up my life points. Thank you very much, Impassioned Orator, you're doing a good job. And I tap also these last remaining planes to activate the effect of Darksteel Pendant and take a look at the top card here of my deck. And this time I'm going to place this card on the bottom of my library. And then I'm going to swing at you with Enforcer Griffin. I'll just summon it, I cannot do that. But I can attack with Soulcatcher, but I don't know what you've got in your hand. I don't want to lose my very precious bird. I'm certainly going to attack with Healer's Hook, 1/1 with lifelink, and I guess well, you've got all of your lands untapped. Just Healer's Hook this time, okay?
Okay.
You block that or
No.
no?
Ah beh sì, certo, blocco.
Okay. I gain 1 life. It's your turn. And now Soulcatcher is a 5/5, alright? Because my Healer's Hook has just been destroyed in an attack. Soulcatcher is just as strong as your Rapacious Dragon. Ornery Goblin. It's a Goblin Warrior creature. Okay.
Attacco.
That is a 5/5. I can actually block that with my Soulcatcher, but both creatures will be destroyed. This time I'm just going to let it pass and take the damage. I draw a card here. I untap all of my planes. I play another planes. This was a very unlucky draw. I use Darksteel Pendant for 1 planes. Take a look at the top card of my library, and I place this card on the bottom of my deck. And again, I attack with Enforcer Griffin. This time I can do that because I summoned this creature the previous turn. So I attack with Enforcer Griffin. It's a 3/4. What do? You block that. You're left with 8 life points, sister.
I'll block.
Okay, so your Spark-Tongue Dragon is destroyed. A counter on Soulcatcher, so now my creature is a 6/6 and it's your turn.
Attacco.
Ornery Goblin. What's the effect of that creature?
Che quando viene bloccato può dare un danno.
It deals 1 damage to that creature. Alright, I'm just going to block that with Silverflame Squire. So because of the effect of your Goblin Warrior, my Silverflame Squire is destroyed. But still I don't get any battle damage from your Ornery Goblin because I blocked your creature. Alright? So the battle phase is over. You do anything else to complete your turn?
Evoco una creatura.
Okay. Good. I draw a card. I'm going to play this Enchantment Aura, Grasp of the Hieromancer, on my Soulcatcher. This enchantment gives my Soulcatcher +1/+1, so now this creature has got 7 power, 7 toughness, and it's got a very cool ability that is activated at the beginning of a battle phase. So I'm going to attack with my Soulcatcher and my Enforcer Griffin, and because of the effect of my enchantment, I can tap your Rapacious Dragon so you cannot defend with it. And you'll be getting a total of 3, 7, 10 damage, and that will be the end of the game. What do you do?
Giant's Greedy.
Oh, Giant's Greed, okay.
Per 2 do 3 danni.
Ok, 3 damage.
E
okay,
posso portare la prima carta. La tengo.
Alright.
E poi per un altro uso Spruzzo di Magma, infligge altri 2 danni e viene esiliato perché devo morire.
Okay, so my creature takes 3 damage and 2 additional damage from Magma Spray, so yes, it's exiled. I lost one of my attackers, but I'm still attacking with Soulcatcher. You still get 7 damage, sister. So you are left with just 1 life point, and my turn is over. It's up to you.
Io attacco.
You have to pay the echo cost for your Orcish Hair Razor. Okay.
Attacco.
I'm going to block your Ornery Goblin with my Impassioned Orator, so they both get destroyed. I get 8 damage in total, okay?
E poi uso Gravity Punch.
Gravity Punch for 4 mountains.
E ti do un danno di 5.
Place the card here, I can see it better. Gravity Punch, target creature you control deals damage equal to its power to target player. Oh, shoot. So I get 5 damage from your Rapacious Dragon, right? Ok.
Al cimitero, però poi lo posso ribucare dal cimitero e l'altro effetto, Jump Start.
What? Jump Start?
Quindi pago altri 4.
You may cast this card from your graveyard by discarding a card in addition to paying its other costs. Then exile this card. So you play this card from the graveyard and you deal other 5 damage. I'm left with just 2 life points. Have you got any other surprises, any other trump cards in your hand to play?
No.
Oof. This was really close. It's finally over. It was really close. I think it's safe to say that I have won this second big match of Magic the Gathering, Birds versus Dragons, and sister, no matter how big you are, even if you're just a little bird, you can still take down a dragon. Right, sister? It's right, it's correct, I've proved it, I've won. And now you got to smile to the camera since you lost. So prepare to smile to the camera. And there you go. Sister, smile to the camera. You lost. Shame on you.